Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord SE2, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just open the app here, click enable in settings, and here you'll see the green Apple keyboard. Click once on the swatcher, click activate, go back here, tap to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard here. And as can you see, the process is finished, and now we'll go somewhere here into the app search, for example, and as can you see, we got here the new look of our device keyboard, and this keyboard is also close to the iPhone keyboard as the all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.